Sawadika everyone. Today I will show you how to cook stir-fry chicken ginger. Very nice and delicious. Ingredients. Now ingredient we are ready, we can start. Pan on, hot and nice, oil go in, garlic go in. Garlic golden brown, we start to put chicken. Stir under medium heat until chicken cook 70%. White onions, baby corn, or capsicums, all go in, and ginger in now because we're getting more aroma. After vegetable cook 50%, we put oyster sauce, soya sauce, seasoning sauce, sugar, and chicken powder. Stir through. A little more of water because we're getting nice saucy. Now I will taste it. So yummy. All vegetable left go in. Stir about 30 seconds. Ready to serve now. Look colorful, shiny, and vegetable still crunchy. And on top with garnishes. Ready. Everyone, very nice. It's a fragrant aroma from garlic, ginger is really combination. And you know the flavor of fresh vegetable and chicken when I chew is it's really delicious, yummy. It's really nice with rice, especially jasmine rice. I will enjoy it. And tell me how you stir fry chicken ginger. Okay, bye bye everyone. See you.